let's take a look at this sample though. This is a really good sample that you have here. Okay, so if we take out, okay, so you've got $821 long, 1900 short. You basically got 10 triggers. Docu, I can show you how to weed out those with the daily, but you got nothing but net here, Jeff.
Yep, this was pretty successful.
This is good. Like you came from, do you remember that like 4 weeks ago we had
two winners and 18 losers? Or
it was the opposite. We had two in the money, the rest were all red. But what's funny about that, if you notice, like what you're learning, and you're learning here, what you're learning is if they're not profitable, you've missed something.
Yeah.
Like it's just the way it is. Like it sounds really dumb. Like no one would even believe that. Because for most people, this is just all, it's a it's gambling, you know, but you're starting to see that this is yeah, that's fantastic, man. You really nailed PCT and ENTG. ENTG was a really, really great short. You got all the levels on it. That one, that was just, and when it broke out, it confirmed so you could sit there. That is a monster short. And you just got to hit it spot on. There's just nobody left to trade against that anywhere in there. Yeah. Really freaking slick, man. Yeah, it's well done. That one in PCT are like doing all the heavy lifting. Yeah, this is great, man. I really feel like I'm helping you.